Right? Okay, show me how you dance.
I'm dancing.
Oh, you're jump dancing today. I thought you were going to do your ballet dancing.
This is about it. What's this, Daddy? Look.
Show me how you do your pirouettes.
Is that a pirouette?
Mm-hmm. And how do you do your pliés?
Is that a plie?
No, that's not the plie.
Is that a plie?
That's your version of a plie, yes.
No.
Who's that right there? Who do you have right there? Which doll is that?
April.
Who? That's not April. Who is that?
Nobody. Mommy, this is nobody.
That's nobody.
Yeah.
Do you have pigtails like her today?
Yeah. I'm wearing pink bows.
Mm-hmm. You're wearing pink bows.
I'm wearing pink bows.
Nope, she's not wearing pink bows. Do you have one that has pink bows? Yeah. All right, where are you going? We're getting a doll with pink bows. We have La-La Loopsies everywhere. Which one has pink bows? What about Toffee?
No, I'm talking about Tippy.
Oh, Tippy? Where's Tippy at?
Oh, I see her. I found her.
You found her? Does she have pink bows?
Yeah.
Oh, and she does ballet.
See?
You gonna show me your ballet moves now?
Yeah. There. Hey, you're the teacher and I'm How about it here?
I don't know. That's a jumping dance.
I do know jumping dance.
Cool.
Oh, not cool. That one. Huh? Whoa! I'm gonna do it. Yeah.
Alright, you done dancing?
Not yet.
You need to leave those cords alone.
They're not toys for you.
We gotta go shopping. You ready?
I don't think a baby doll.
Okay, say bye.